Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day, or hi if you are new to my channel. If this is the first video that you're seeing of my channel, then make sure you subscribe. So we're going to be decorating my pocket for the week of Valentine's Day. Normally I don't do a voiceover with these videos. I'm not sure what happened. I think it's because I filmed a video before this, so I just kind of hit record and didn't really talk throughout the entire thing. I think I did realise once I was filling out my weekly page that I wasn't talking and had background noise, so we're doing a voiceover for this week. But I hope you guys are having a lovely Valentine's Day and I hope you had a lovely weekend too. So yeah, we are doing a weekly spread in my pocket planner, and if you haven't seen any of my previous pocket planner videos, I draw out my layouts myself. I don't use any inserts or anything, just so I can switch it up and have something different, because I like to plan in different ways. So I did switch over a couple of things that are different from last week. So last week I had a habit tracker at the top and then a larger box at the bottom that I could fill in kind of things that I wanted to get done, but not necessarily on any particular day. But this week I've switched it over so I can have a full box up at the top, a little tracker where I can put the meals for the week, and then another box where again I can just list things that I do want to get done this week, but not on any particular day. So I'm using this full box here from Laura Sticker Co. I'll leave her shop linked down in the comments. I wanted to make this week kind of red and hearts and all lovey-dovey. I didn't really have a plan, so we're just going and making it up as we go along, which is something that I do a lot. I have been thinking, if you guys like the idea of me putting up my weekly layouts as a printable in my shop, I can size them in different sizes for you, so they don't have to be pocket, but every time I come up with a new layout I can just add that in my shop if you wanted that as a printable. You have to let me know down below if that is something that you're interested in or something that you think would be good in my shop. And yeah, every week that I'm coming to plan, then I will just quickly make a note of the layout that I'm doing and then convert it into my shop. Sorry, I was trying to read a text that my daughter just sent me. So the little hearts with the foiled icons on, they are from Simply Gilded, and then the XO sticker was from a Happy Planner sticker book, and then the little cookie, the little heart cookie, which is so adorable, it's from Wish Designs. And I'm just using my Poppet headers, the transparent ones. These will be coming out on Saturday, which I'm really excited about. You guys seem to like the idea of having them in my shop, so they'll be coming out on Saturday, as well as the foiled stickers that you've seen me use a couple of times. I've actually used them in another plan with me, but the foiled stickers will be coming out as well in kind of lots of different designs, so fingers crossed they're coming out. They should be coming out as long as I can get everything print and cut and ready. So Saturday is an exciting release. I'm going to be using these Simply Gilded heart icons kind of everywhere because I wanted it to be more Valentine's-y, lovey. So I've just put some down to correspond with whatever I wanted to get done this week, which was some housework, because it never ends, working out, which I'm going to be honest does not look promising for this week. I want to film this week and carry on watching Archive 81, which is on Netflix. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I definitely suggest watching at least one or two, because it's so good. I don't want to give any spoilers or talk about it too much in case I spoil something by accident, but it's really good. So here we're hopping over to my weekly section. So for Valentine's Day, we're actually going to be celebrating it tomorrow, Tuesday, for me and my partner, because he's going to be working late. Not that we really do anything for Valentine's Day anyway. We've been together for 20 years now. Wow. So yeah, we don't really do anything. But anyway, so we will be celebrating it tomorrow. So I used a heart sticker just to mark that it was half term. I was doing orders today, checking emails, and obviously doing this voiceover and uploading, but I didn't put that in there. And then for Tuesday, I just put down V-Day, because that's when we're doing it. And then I want to post orders tomorrow before I go off to work. And then for Wednesday, I want to do some more designing. So I'm in the middle of doing my Stalogy, the new Stalogy kit that will be coming out. I'm quite far behind. I've literally, not even a whole sheet actually. I'm doing the window sheet at the moment, which I'm not finished. So I've still got quite a lot to go. I am getting a little bit nervous that I'm not going to finish it on time, but we will see. I'll just have to work extra hard. And then for Thursday, I just put down that I'm going to be working. Hopping over to Friday, we're going to be having a little family day out, and then we'll be going back to my parents' house for some pizza. We need to have a meeting because we're all going away to France this year, so we're having a France meeting. And then for Saturday, I've got my new release, and I'm also at work, so I need to try and remember to put that up before I go to work. And then Sunday will just be taken up with housework, getting all of the school stuff together, and I need to go and have an extra set of keys cut as well. And then just to make it kind of look balanced, I just drew an extra box at the bottom, which I thought would be good to mark maybe if it was someone's birthday or a special occasion or something that I needed to buy. But obviously for me this week I didn't have any, so I've just filled it up with some of the washi, and I'm going to put a couple of stickers on top of that as well. Let me know if you are getting up to anything for Valentine's Day tonight, or maybe you've done something today, or maybe you don't just really celebrate it. Like me and my partner, we've been together way too long. Maybe I will try and dish up his dinner in a heart shape or something stupid. But yeah, let me know down below if you have done anything or you're thinking of doing something. Maybe you're doing something the weekend. Let me know down below. After I have popped the washi down, which is the same washi that I've used in the middle of my planner. I can't remember where this was from. It was just on a kind of a leftover sheet. I had 2 heart Valentine's-y themed ones. So I'm not sure where it's from, but it's really pretty. I was just trying to find something that I could put there, but I ended up going with another one of my transparent poppet headers just in the middle there to fill that gap up. And then I went with 2 hearts from, one heart from Simply Gilded with the bow on, and one of the hearts was from the Happy Planner sticker book. And I just layered them together. And that was pretty much it for this week's spread. I'm going to go and just pop these back into my planner, and then you guys can see what it looks like all together. I have got another video coming out on Wednesday. It's going to be my January highlights, even though we're pretty much halfway through February. But better late than never, I guess. So that will be coming out on Wednesday. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I hope wherever you are having an amazing day, and I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye everyone.